Today, Discover Arizona presents one of Arizona's largest theme parks, Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. First up, we make our way down to the raft rides, and those views are phenomenal. After a few tube slides, we make our way down to the lazy river. I do have to say that the lazy river was not so lazy, so we really only spent a short time here before heading back to the slides. With over 20 rides and slides, this park had a lot to offer. And oh yes, that water is cool. Woo! After we get lunch, we make our way down to Splash Island. The children obviously had a great time riding on the slides, but there are so many other little things in this area to keep them occupied and keep them cool. Alright, last but not least, we make our way down to the speed slide, and boy was it quick. Woo! Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.